Hello everyone, I am Tabish Abbasi, and in this particular video, we are going to solve another important problem on the topic of power cycle, which is a subtopic of number system. So without any further delay, let's get start the video. So as you can see, this is our question. So let me clarify you, this question is based on the concept of power cycle. So it is recommended to you, you should know the concept of power cycle first, then you should try to solve these types of question. Okay, so let's come on the question. So the question is saying that find the last digit 21 raised to the power 11 plus 22 raised to the power 12 plus 23 raised to the power 13 and so on. Okay. So our options are 6, 1, 3, 5. So the question is looking hard, but it is not if you know the concept of power cycle. So let's try to solve this part of this expression first. Okay. So as we know, the result of this expression is completely dependent on the unit digit of the base. This is our base, this is our exponent. Okay. So the whole result of this expression, of this part of the expression, this part of the complete expression is completely dependent on the unit digit of the base. This is our base. So if the unit digit of base is 1, so the resultant value, the unit digit of the resultant value will always be 1. If the power does not matter, what will be the power? It doesn't matter if the unit value is 1. Okay. So the resultant of this, the resultant unit digit of this expression part will be 1. Okay. So now let's try to find out the power cycle of 2. So the power cycle of 2 is nothing but 2, 4, 8, 6. Okay. Now what is power? Power is 12. Now let's divide the 12 by 4 because we have 4 elements in our power cycle. And it will completely divide. Okay. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 0. So let me tell you, we will consider the remainder here, not the quotient. So if the remainder is 0, it means the last digit which is in our power cycle will be the answer. Okay. So the 6 will be our answer of this expression part. Okay. So now try to solve this expression part. 3 raised to the power 13. So what will be the power cycle of 3? 3 and 9. 7, 1. Okay. So this is the power cycle of 3. Now let's try to solve this. What is the power of this expression? The power is 13. So let's divide the power by 4 because we have the 4 element in our power cycle of 3. So 4, 3 is 12. So the remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, the answer will be the first element of our power cycle, which is 3. Okay. So as it is, we will denote this sign as it is. Okay. So now let's try to solve this part of this question. So it is 4 raised to the power 14. Okay. So let's try to find out the power cycle of 4, which is 4 and 6. Okay. So this is the power cycle of 4. If the power of this expression is odd, so the resultant will be 4. If the power of this expression is even, so the answer will be 6. Okay. So as you can see, 14 is an even number. So our answer will be 6. Okay. Now let's try to solve this expression. And we do not have need to solve this expression because if the unit digit is 5, so it doesn't matter what is the power. The resultant value will be always 5. Okay. So we will denote this sign as it is. Now let's see. 6, 1 is 7. 7, 3 is 10. 10, 6, 16. 16 and 5, 21. As we have the total result is 21. And what is the unit digit of 21, which is 1? So as we can see, 1 is in the option. So the option second is the correct option. Thank you.